everyone, my name is Ramiro Berrelleza. I am the CEO and co-founder of Okteto. At Okteto, we're building a platform to automate dev, preview, and test environments on Kubernetes. And then I just go on there. So today I want to talk about cost control and why that matters for the developer experience. You know, there's a big trend now of moving dev environments into remote. This could be either Kubernetes, which is what we enable, or things like Gitpod and Coder for the IDE. When you're thinking about your strategy for remote dev experience, you need to think about costs, because this is something that your company is going to care about. Producing new infrastructure is not free. You want to make sure that you have a budget for that. You need to make sure that your developers are aware of this. So when thinking about this, I want you to think of three very important things. One, create a budget for this. Two, educate your users on the fact that there will be an extra cost. And number three, the most important, invest in an automated solution. Make sure that you delete automatically your resources when you're done. Why? Because nobody's going to remember to delete a database. Nobody's going to remember to clean up their environments when they're done. So give your developers a favor. Do your developers a favor. Automate all this so that they can benefit from all the beauty of remote dev environments without having to worry about racking up a huge bill in your organization's account.